Hey, what's up guys? This is Austin and this is my E30 drift build right here. So as you can see, it's all took apart. So I went and bought some coilovers because I had some eBay coilovers, needed to upgrade some better. So I ended up getting some BCBRs. Today I'm gonna be pulling these control arms off, deleting the sway bar, and slapping these new coils on. Going with these control arms because they're a lot bulkier, they're aluminum, they're lighter, and these make the wheels sit farther in. So my plan is I'm gonna do a budget little angle kit. So these, they stick out farther than the stock ones, so I'm gonna be able to get the wheel farther from right here. So when I do have angle, the wheel's gonna be turned more and it'll hit with this one. So when I put this one, it'll allow the wheel to get more angle. So hopefully everything goes well. The only thing about putting the E46 arms is, as you can see, these have a circle in where the lollipop bushing goes in. This one is like a hexagon. So you have to grind this all down, try to make it perfectly circle, so we could put the bushings on just like this. Cause the bush already been grinding right here, trying to get it circle, so I can fit this little lollipop bushing in there. As you can see. As you can see, it's getting there. It's starting to look more round compared to this one. Little hexagon. Alright, so I'm starting bolting all this. Starting bolting the sway bar. I'm not putting it back on, leave it all. So that one's out. Alright, so got that one out. Here's the sway bar, don't need that no more. Wait, look at like. Get in there. So, got the bolts off. There it is. It's pretty easy. So, as you can see, it's lined up. This kicks out farther than this one. So, should give me more room for the tire for more angle. Alrighty, so this is the problem I'm having. Slide this in, bring it to line it up, and as you can see, it's off by like an inch. So, I'm gonna have to bring this back more and round it off. So then the bushing pushes up farther, and then it should be solid. It ain't gonna fit unless I grind it, so I just need to grind more, and it should be chilling. So right here, it stops right here. I need to go probably like right there. Push the bushing all the way up. Alrighty, so this one's done. I already mocked it up. Fit. Now it's time to grind this one. Alright, so Now it's time to just hammer it. You give it one good tap real quick right here. There it is. So that's how you do it. Control arms off. As you can see, it lines up now with this bolt, so now it's grinded back far enough, fit perfect. Just takes a little bit of modifications to get it right, because this came off of like a 2004 BMW E46, and this is a 1985 car, so ball joints look a little clap, but it'll work for now. Fuck it. I live life on the edge. These ones are way cleaner. So now it's time to clean them up, paint them real quick, so they look a little clean, and then let them dry and install them. Alright, so I'm about to paint it this teal. Gloss deep mint. It ain't the cleanest, but fuck it. Look better than it did. There they are. Best they're gonna get for now. Look better than they did. What's up, guys? Alright, so got the piece chopped out. Now it's time to go over here, see what I have to get out of the way to cut this side. Alright, so got both of the pieces cut out. Did this on video, I changed putting the back VC coils on, but it's pretty simple. To take the suspension off, you take this one bolt off, take it all the way out, and then this drops down, and then you can pull the spring out. And then up top here, there's two bolts up here on top. Take those off and it drops down, put it back up with the bolts, and there it is. Pretty easy for the backs. And these two bolts right here on the lollipop bushings. Those are installed. So that's what it's looking like so far. So now it's time to install the front suspension. As you can see, I got the arms on. Here's the VCs right here. So now it's time to install them. Caliper bolts. So, got the controller bolt in the knuckle. Now I'm going to tighten calipers. As you can see, got the tire in bolted up. Got the control arm bolt, brake, caliper bolts. Now I just need to tighten these. And those ones are 12s. Well, the soft ones, they're 13s. This side's done. chilling. Noticed, I put the wheels straight. One wheel's bowed out, and the other wheels turn more. So I'm gonna end up having to extend the tie rod ends because these control arms they sit out farther. So I'm gonna have to extend those. But that's about it. So today I'm done for the day, and I got a lot of stuff done, so I should be good. I got these cut out today. That one cut out. I ended up grinding the control arm where the lollipop bushing goes on to make it work on the E30. Painted them, put the BC coilovers all around, put the calipers back on, got the back coils on. So another day, I'll just tackle the front tie rod ends, and it should be solid. It's gonna be tucking.